How's it going, guys? I'm going to do a video on TANH. I've seen this one on one of the really oversold penny stocks. So I just wanted to look at this thing where we're at and all this thing. So if you look at the profile, this is a China stock, and that could really help you out because a lot of these Chinese stocks are going to be more oversold than you think, but they have these massive pumps. China stocks have ridiculous pumps and they can go like out of nowhere, right? They can hit this red upper band in one daily candle. I've seen it happen. So if you're looking at the strategy and if you're confused or you're new to my channel, remember, I use the ATR4 bands. So the lower band is an ATR4. If it hits it, it's a really oversold. And what happens is you have that bounce effect, that reversion to the mean. The upper band we never buy, and then the three bands are your EMAs. The EMA 20, which is the blue, 10 is the yellow, and the 5 is the purple. So when I'm looking at TANH, I'm thinking, okay, so we hit the ATR4 here, it had this massive dump, and then it recovers. I'm kind of expect that. Usually what happens is you don't just go straight to the EMA 5. Usually what we have is a dead cat bounce, and then you head on over. Lower, because that's what really the algos are doing. You hit the ATR4, it's extreming. Okay, this is way too oversold. This might hit an ATR5. And if you don't know, these are the settings here. And what happens is that dead cat bounce lures in a lot of retail traders just for it to come back to this other area, ATR4, dead cat bounce. And so what are we looking for and what kind of area? I will say this. We haven't touched the EMA5 with this purple band in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candles. That is extremely long. Anything that don't touch in 7 daily candles is extremely rare. I'll be honest with you. But the market's been bloody, so things are going to the extreme rare. So we will touch this EMA5. It's a fact. It's a promise. It's a guarantee, just like we'll touch the 10 and the 20. But as you do know, they do fluctuate, so we want to make sure we get a nice entry. If we look at the trend channel, you can kind of see, well, what channel are we looking at? Obviously, we can't put this channel here because it's way below the ATR4. So we had to find something that's very consistent. And when you do it like this, it doesn't really help too much. So sometimes it helps, sometimes it don't. So we can't use that trend channel there. But I will say this: we do have good support at the ATR4, and we're very close to it, which is around 13 cents, 16 cents. So if this goes down lower, I think this is a good setup for at least the EMA5. I mean, the EMA5 is only losing around a penny, so you have that that buffer room here. As long as you accumulate the dips and sell the rips, you'll be totally fine for TANH. I really think we're going to touch the EMA5 very soon. Probably this week time frame I give it. It's what is it, Thursday already, or is it Wednesday? Yeah, it's Thursday. So I suspect next week for sure, then Monday or Tuesday coming into this Friday, it could easily touch it. But yeah, I would look for the longer term target, the EMA 10, as that is where price will touch after a month that has not touched the EMA 10 is very long. Well, the last time you touched the EMA 10 was way back here in 715. We're coming on to 808, so we're almost due for a month. But if you want a fast conservative gain, the EMA 5 is really where I would look to take the gains. And if you look at the percentage calculator, let's say you get in at 16 cents, the EMA 5 is at 18. Let's just see. Let's just see the gains you can get, as this is really nice to just see what is your target here. If you just sell it at 18 cents from a 16-cent region, you're making 12% gains. That is not bad. That's really good. If you sell it at the EMA 10 at 24 cents, since every penny you move is massive, that is a 50% return. The EMA 10 is very doable. TANH can have a massive pump. It's got decent volume. It's not terrible. It's a China stock, so they know they have the biggest pumps. We can look at the past history. I haven't even looked at it, but I'm sure TANH has had massive pumps. Like right in here, look at this one candle here. It went all the way up, but it doesn't matter if it lost its gains. You would definitely sell this thing, sell the rips for sure. And as you can see, it plummeted back down because it hit the upper band here, and a lot of penny stocks can't survive that. And look at this massive pump here out of nowhere, 162 to 7.97. Of course, it can't sustain it, and it goes down. And that's just the power of these China pumps. Here was the last time we were at below the ATR4. As you can see, we just kind of curled up. We hit that EMA 10. Algos had to do it. Once we hit that 5, next target was the 10. And look at that 30% gain in one candle. This is what we're seeing here. I justly, like I said, if as long as you have good risk management and you follow my accumulation rules, I like TANH. I don't think it's bad. I definitely think there's a lot of setups. This one is definitely a setup that I will look into, guys. The K is 4.82. The K is very low, so I definitely I use that as a stochastic oscillator because it will never go to 0. Anything less than 5 is pretty low, so you can look for a move up. If you guys want to join the Discord, this is your chance, guys. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments. I'll have it pinned. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll also be in the description where you can find it. It's a really good service, guys. You're going to find everything in here that you need. If you head on over to the top left of the server shop, I offer 2 services with a very extremely high win ratio of over 95%. So I offer swing trading and then the day and swing trading plus. There you go. It's finally loading. Day and swing trading plus is $12 a month and you get access to everything I offer. And the day trades are absolutely fire. If you have a small account, I definitely recommend it. Even if you have $300, you could easily transform that to $1,000 at the end of the month. I like no capping. I really think this is, for the small account challenges and even the big account challenges, this is the place to go. For $12 a month, if you subscribe on your computer, it's a flat rate fee. You won't pay anything extra, so do try to do it on the computer. If you do it on your phone, or you'll pay an app fee, so do keep that in mind. So for Day and Swing Trading Plus, you guys are going to like this. You're going to get access to everything, my day trading education, my day trade alerts, which you can see right here. We did about 3 trades today, all with a totaling of 30% gains today. Day trade chat, RTK journal, you can see here what is my percentages. You can see here, what am I making on average? What is my returns and all that? And then even my swing trading, you can see my gains percentages. And as you can see, the massive win ratio we have. So, yeah, that concludes TANH. If you guys want to join the Discord, $12 a month. I promise you'll have a very nice strategy of why we avoid these random candles that happen all throughout TANH, and we only buy near ATR4, and we look for targets at the 5 and the 10 and the 20. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.